Hello everyone and welcome to our educational channel. In this video, we will discuss about the revolution of ChatGPT in the internet world, and how it can be the main factor to help you make more than $1,200 per day. We will also discuss what you need to know to use ChatGPT in the right way to make high daily income. So let's get started. ChatGPT is an artificial intelligence language model developed by OpenAI. It is one of the most advanced AI systems that can understand natural language and respond to it in a human-like manner. The development of ChatGPT is a major breakthrough in the world of technology, and it has revolutionized the way we interact with machines. With the help of ChatGPT, you can automate various tasks that previously required human intervention. This can save you a lot of time and effort, which you can then utilize in more productive activities. ChatGPT can be used for a wide range of purposes, including customer service, personal assistance, and even content creation. We'll also be providing a practical example on the second part of this video to help illustrate the power of ChatGPT in action. Specifically, we'll be discussing one of the most important ways to begin your project with ChatGPT, generating ideas for YouTube Shorts. Now, let's move on to the first part of our topic, which is how ChatGPT can be the main factor to help you make more than $1,200 per day. With the growing demand for ChatGPT-powered services, there is an enormous potential for making money with this technology. One way to make money with ChatGPT is by providing customer service for various businesses. As a ChatGPT operator, you can respond to customer queries and resolve their issues in real time. This service can be offered to multiple businesses simultaneously, making it a scalable and profitable business. Another way to make money with ChatGPT is by creating content for websites and social media platforms. With ChatGPT, you can generate high-quality articles, blog posts, and even social media posts in a matter of minutes. This can save you a lot of time and effort, and you can charge a premium for your services. Now, let's move on to the third part of our topic, which is what you need to know to use ChatGPT in the right way to make high daily income. To use ChatGPT effectively, you need to have a clear understanding of its capabilities and limitations. You also need to have a good understanding of the niche you are working in and the requirements of your clients. When it comes to providing customer service, it is important to have a good knowledge of the products and services of the businesses you are working for. You also need to be familiar with the common queries and issues that customers face, and have a database of pre-written responses to common queries. This will help you provide quick and effective responses to customer queries. When it comes to content creation, it is important to understand the tone and style of the content required by your clients. You also need to have a good understanding of the target audience and the message that needs to be conveyed. This will help you create content that is relevant and engaging to the target audience. Now, on the second part of this video, let's dive into how ChatGPT can be used to generate ideas for YouTube Shorts and the important websites that can be used to create these videos. YouTube Shorts is a relatively new feature on the platform that allows users to create short videos up to 60 seconds long. These short videos can be a great way to engage with your audience and grow your following. However, coming up with new and unique ideas for YouTube Shorts can be a challenge. This is where ChatGPT can come in handy. ChatGPT can generate ideas for YouTube Shorts based on your preferences and specifications. To use ChatGPT to generate ideas for YouTube Shorts, you can simply provide it with some keywords related to your niche or topic, and it will generate a list of potential ideas for you. For example, if your niche is cooking, you can provide ChatGPT with keywords such as quick recipes, healthy meals, or vegetarian dishes, and it will generate a list of potential ideas for you. These ideas can include recipes, cooking hacks, or cooking challenges that you can create a YouTube short around. Once you have generated a list of potential ideas, you can use websites like Canva, Capwing, or Adobe Premiere Rush to create your YouTube Shorts. These websites offer a range of tools and features that can help you create engaging and professional-looking videos. Canva is a popular graphic design tool that can be used to create YouTube Shorts with ease. It offers a range of templates, animations, and music options that can be customized to suit your brand and niche. Capwing is another website that can be used to create YouTube Shorts. It offers a range of video editing tools and features that can be used to create engaging and creative short videos. Capwing also allows you to add captions and subtitles to your videos, which can be beneficial for those who are hard of hearing or speak a different language. Adobe Premiere Rush is a video editing software that can be used to create YouTube Shorts. It offers a range of tools and features that can be used to create high-quality videos, including color correction, audio editing, and special effects. In conclusion, using ChatGPT to generate ideas for YouTube Shorts and websites like Canva, Capwing, or Adobe Premiere Rush to create these videos can be a great way to grow your following and engage with your audience. With the help of ChatGPT, you can generate new and unique ideas for your YouTube Shorts that can set you apart from the competition. And with the help of these websites, you can bring your ideas to life and create engaging and professional-looking short videos that will keep your audience coming back for more. ChatGPT is a revolutionary technology that has the potential to transform the way we work and interact with machines. It can help you make more than $1,200 per day by providing customer service and content creation services. However, to use ChatGPT effectively, you need to have a clear understanding of its capabilities and limitations, and have a good understanding of the niche you are working in and the requirements of your clients. If you enjoyed this video, please share it with your friends and family, like, comment and subscribe to my channel so we can get more of our upcoming products. We hope you found this video informative and helpful. Thank you for watching.